Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Can we get a bounce here, Bitcoin? Some relief. Before we jump into this video, I want to remind you guys, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 3 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period and give away $500 in Bitcoin, free money. Let's go. Hit that subscribe button. All right, Bitcoin daily chart. Obviously, Bitcoin's had tremendous amount of downside over the past couple days. It's about a 34% pullback, or was just a little bit ago, which, I mean, it's a decent sized pullback for Bitcoin. Will we see continuation to the downside? At about 42,500, you've got your 618 Fibonacci retracement level, which the price action did hit and it's trying to bounce right now. 786 is down here around 36,000, right? The 200 SMA is around 40,000. I think it's very important that the bulls hold between 38 and 40,000 as support and work some type of range here. The altcoins would take off altcoin season, right? Break below there, and you know there's some significant downside. $30,000 Bitcoin, $28,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so what could happen is if you notice this orange line, your RSI on the daily time frame was oversold. Your stochastic was as well. So here we are again, same type situation. RSI close to being oversold, stochastic close to oversold. So could we get some type of bounce? I mean, if you look at the bounce we had previously, Bitcoin bounced from 48,000 up to 60,000. You know, so some potential bounce up to 53,000. Would that be in the cards? So we'll just have to see if the bulls can show up here and this thing doesn't just roll over and bottom falls out, right? So this is the Bitcoin 8-hour chart. I mean, there's definitely an idea of this head and shoulders playing out. This support level right here, bulls need to hold this support level. You do not want this to be a bearish retest and see downside continuation. And, you know, the bulls, I mean, they have to show up here to hold this level. Again, you've got your RSI close to oversold, so there is a bounce idea. However, you know, the bulls trying to push higher here. We're going to zoom in. Let's zoom into the 1-hour time frame just to get a real clear picture of what needs to happen. So Bitcoin has been in this falling wedge for the last few days. Okay, started out here at 57,000. It's just been slowly bleeding. Now, if there's this possible double bottom or it's a descending triangle, the point is, call what you want. This support level right here at 42,500 has to hold, and the bulls need to put in some type of short-term move to the upside. I don't think this thing is just going to bounce and take off and we're going to all-time highs, right? This is just a necessary, needed, healthy correction at this point. You know, those that have been holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, most of these altcoins have, you know, sustained tremendous losses. I mean, will we see some type of max pain scenario where people are capitulating and Bitcoin, you know, continuing to drop lower? I mean, I can only imagine the fear and greed index, fear level has to be something extremely low. Probably the lowest we've seen since the panic situation dump that we had previously. So again, tons of fear in the market right now, a lot of uncertainty. These altcoins, I mean, think about it. Why aren't the altcoins taking off and exploding? Number one, they're dependent on Bitcoin, right? And then number two, market participants are not certain about Bitcoin, and so they're not buying a bunch of altcoins until they see Bitcoin start to turn around. And so, I mean, really, that's the Bitcoin has to prove to the market that, hey, there's at least some type of short-term bullish idea that could play out. But however, until this breaks higher, everything starts in the lower-term time frames, right? Will it carry over to the higher-term time frames? We have to see. I've got some amazing shout-outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I doubled my money in the last 2 weeks. Dude, I love you right now. Listen, this person said, I avoided the dips. I doubled my money in 3 weeks. This person paid for a 6-month membership after he was in the group for a week. Dude, the group is ridiculously cheap. The price of a class at a community college, you could change your life. This person stated, I made $4,000 on the principles you're teaching. The bottom line is this. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes right now. Here we are. Yeah, the market's pulling back. Potentially a lot of people became millionaires and made a lot of money, and it's important to preserve your capital, to treat every dollar like it's your last. If you don't know how to take profits, if you're not locking in your profits, if you're not using stop losses to avoid massive losses, I can show you how to completely change the way you see and trade this market. I can help you. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setup for the entire bull run, entire bull market. Altcoin season's still coming. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. SNX. I gave this to you guys May the 7th. 19,000 people saw this. SNX on YouTube. Shout out to 112,000 subscribers. Smash the subscribe button. SNX up 49%. 49% gains. Entire market's getting destroyed. SNX is up close to 50%. KSM. So this market right now is about finding the outliers. It's about finding the coins where they don't look like the other coins. Some of these coins look completely different, these charts. And I'm going to go over some of those in just a second. Kusama, KSM, the sister chain to Polkadot's platform. I still think Polkadot's going to have an amazing run. You know, potentially when you're looking at coins to pick up, I mean, you can't start buying too early. You've got to scale in. There's obvious ideas that you need to use and implement in order to, I mean, what you think is cheap a month from now or a week from now might have been a poor choice, right? So you just need to understand some of these bounce ideas and whatnot on a technical side. But the rollout of parachains for the network KSM is coming. So Polkadot and KSM creator Gavin Wood. So Gavin Wood created Polkadot and KSM. He said Polkadot was entering the fourth and final phase of its mainnet launch, which involves deploying parachains to the Kusama network. According to Wood, the development arm behind Polkadot, Parity Technology, they released an upgrade, Polkadot version 0.9 for Kusama, which is now finally ready to host parachains. We go over and we look at the KSM chart. Everything else has been pulling back, and this thing, yeah, it did pull back, but it's bounced amazing, and you got this bull flag forming. Okay, so if this thing can break out, and again, Bitcoin rolls over, does something crazy like that, negates a lot of these ideas in a second. Okay, but while you're watching Bitcoin, if this breaks out and moves higher, you're looking for $650, $694, $738, $800, $900 KSM. Be nice to hit KSM for 50% profits. Another coin to watch, YFI. So I gave you guys this setup on the 10th of May. YFI, buy the breakout of this level. Look for the retest. I gave you guys this setup on YouTube. 15,000 people saw this. 70% gains. We hit this for 70% profits. 70% profits. I gave this to you guys. Huge. Now, understand this is an Adam and Eve double bottom. Adam, Eve double bottom. So let's look at YFI right now on the daily chart. Right? Remember, Adam and Eve double bottom, very bullish. So Adam, Eve double bottom. YFI is right now worth almost 1.5 Bitcoins. One YFI worth 1.5 Bitcoins. We could see 1.82 Bitcoin, 2.36 Bitcoin, 2.65 Bitcoin YFI. Keep an eye on this. You've got this kind of bullish pennant forming on the lower term time frame. So again, if that breaks out, this thing could have some upside. I mean, your RSI is screaming, hey, I need to cool off a little bit. So, I mean, potentially this moves sideways for a period of time. After it cools off, obviously gives it a lot more coiling up action as far as forcing this breakout higher. AAVE is another one. AAVE. We've been talking about this. We bought this breakout. We're in profits on this one. Now there's another bull flag that's formed. Okay. Most of the USDT pairs got completely destroyed, but AAVE is still pushing higher, pushing towards above its all-time high, right? Real close to it. So price discovery if this thing breaks out. And it's pushing there right now. It's got some volume coming in. Again, potentially 670, 730, 830, $1,000 AAVE if this breaks out to the upside. This is NFT dominance. Is going to give us an idea when these NFTs are going to really take off. So you can see it broke out of this falling wedge. NFTs, look for NFTs to start moving. This continues higher. So you want this support level to hold, which would be an SR flip, right? Previous resistance becomes support and continuation higher. So what kind of gave me this idea was Alice. I posted Alice. We picked it up on a breakout right here. It pulled back and then double bottomed and bounced up 32%. You know, there's still quite a bit more upside. I mean, you want to pick up Alice on a pullback, right? Especially with the way the RSI looks. But one project that is an NFT project that hasn't broken out yet is AXS, Axie Infinity. And so you've got this falling wedge. This is a very important support level down here. So you got a falling wedge at support, okay? 68% chance this breaks to the upside. This is a USDT pair, right? Bitcoin has got to cooperate. Bitcoin has got to cooperate for this thing to really take off. But you could see, you know, $7.90, $8.50, $9.30, $10, even $11 AXS if Bitcoin cooperates. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.